Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus ClickUp. We'll explore which platform might be better suited for your needs. Notion offers incredible flexibility for notes, wikis, and project management, acting as an all-in-one workspace. ClickUp, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive suite of project management tools with extensive customization options. Both aim to centralize your work and enhance team collaboration, but they approach it differently. Let's dive into their core features, pricing, and ideal use cases to help you decide. When it comes to core features, Notion truly excels in its database functionality, allowing users to create interconnected pages and highly custom views for almost anything. ClickUp, however, offers more advanced native task management, including robust Gantt charts, built-in time tracking, and detailed goal setting. Notion's strength lies in its wiki-like structure and content creation capabilities, making it a powerful knowledge base. ClickUp provides more out-of-the-box integrations specifically designed for complex project management workflows, offering a more structured approach. Regarding pricing and scalability, both platforms offer compelling options. Notion provides a free personal plan and paid plans typically starting around $8 per user per month, scaling with workspace members and block limits. ClickUp also offers a free plan with limited features, while its paid plans generally begin at $7 per user per month. ClickUp's paid tiers unlock significantly more advanced features, storage, and reporting, making it highly suitable for growing teams needing extensive project oversight and collaboration tools. So, who is each platform for? Notion is ideal for individuals and teams prioritizing flexible knowledge management, content creation, and highly customized workflows. If you need a versatile digital workspace that adapts to your unique organizational style, Notion is a strong contender. ClickUp, conversely, is better suited for project managers and teams requiring extensive task management, detailed reporting, and robust team collaboration features. Choose ClickUp for its powerful, structured project management capabilities, especially for larger, more complex projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.